Welcome back everyone. I am Rajdeep Acharya and today I am going to represent the structure of antibody. So actually antibodies are nothing but some protein molecules. Antibodies are nothing but some protein molecules which are actually derived from immunoglobulin supergenes. So actually the antibodies are nothing but some protein molecule which are derived from immunoglobulin supergenes. The weight of antibody is about 150,000 kd to up to 9 lakh kd. So the molecular weight of a antibody is 1,50,000 kd to 9 lakh kd. It depends upon its class or subtype. So it is the weight of the antibody. So it was our first point, that antibodies are the protein molecules that derive from the immunoglobulin supergenes, and it is our second point of view that antibody molecular weight is 1,50,000 kd to 9 lakh kd. Now we will be talking about the portions of antibody. Antibody contain FAB portion and FC portion. The FAB portion attached with antigen. The FAB portion, that means this portion attached with the antigen, and this FC portion attached with effector cell. So the FAB portion, that means this portion actually attached with the antigen, that means the foreign particles or microorganism, and this FC region, that means this portion actually attached with effector cell, that means macrophage, natural killer cell or dendritic cell. So this is the FC portion, that means the crystallizable portion. Now we will be talking about the chains of antibody. So it was our third point of view. Now we will be talking about our fourth point of view, that is the chains that present in antibody. So antibody contain light chain and also heavy chain. That means antibody contain light chain and also heavy chain. The weight of light chain is about 25,000 kd, and also the heavy chain molecular weight is 50,000 kd. Light chain, the light chain actually contain lambda and also kappa chain. It is the lambda and kappa chain present in the light chain. That means here it is light chain and it is actually the heavy chain. And in antibody two portions are present, that means the variable portion as well as constant portion, variable chain or constant chain. So it was our fourth point of view. Now we will be talking about our fifth point of view, that is our fifth point of view, that is antibody contain constant portion, constant region as well as variable region. Antibody contain constant region as well as variable region. The constant region denotes by CH1, CH2 and also CH3, that means CH1, CH2 and CH3. Okay, and this constant and variable, these two region have these two region, I mean the constant region and the variable region, both of these region have light chain as well as heavy chain. That means we can say that light chain and heavy chain contain constant and variable region, and also constant and variable region have light chain and heavy chain. Okay, so now we will be talking about the Hing region. Actually, in here CH1 and here CH2, in between these two domain, I mean this CH1 and this CH2, in between these two domain, here are some cysteine and some proline residues are present. Here some cysteine and some proline residues are present. This region, actually this region is called as Hing region. That means we will be talking about our sixth point of view, that is the Hing region. H-I-N-G-H, Hing region. The Hing region is present in between CH1 and CH2. It is the location of this Hing region, and it contains cysteine and proline. Cysteine and proline residues. Okay, and the heavy chain and this light chain, these two chains are separated by the disulfide bond. That means the heavy chain and this light chain, the heavy chain and this light chain, it is separated by disulfide bond. So the disulfide bond actually separated this heavy chain and this light chain. That means the heavy chain and this light chain actually separated by the disulfide bond. So it was our seventh point of view. So from the beginning, our first point is antibody is protein molecules which are actually derived from immunoglobulin supergenes. Our second point is antibody's molecular weight is 150,000 kd to 900,000 kd. Okay, our third point of view is antibody contain Fab and Fc region. The Fab region attached with antigen, and the Fab region attached with the effector cell like dendritic cell, like macrophage, like natural killer cell, for the proper functioning of this antibody. Our fourth point of view is antibody have light chain and heavy chain. The light chain is molecular weight of 25,000 kd and heavy chain is about 50,000 kd. The light chain contain lambda and kappa. Now we will be talking about our fifth point of view, that is antibody contain constant region and variable region, which both contain light chain and heavy chain. That means light chain and heavy chain both contain these two, variable and constant region. Constant region has three domains. These are constant region 1, constant region 2, constant region 3, CH1, CH2, CH3. And our sixth point of view is in constant heavy region 1, constant heavy region 2, in between these two domains there are some cysteine and proline rich region which is called as Hing region. Our sixth point of view is that the light chain and the heavy chain, these two chains are separated by disulfide bond. And if we talk about the subclasses of antibody subclasses, we know that antibodies are immunoglobulin AM, it contain mu chain. Immunoglobulin G, it contain gamma chain. Immunoglobulin E, it contain epsilon chain. Immunoglobulin A, it contain alpha chain, and also immunoglobulin D, it contain delta chain. So it contains the delta chain. Okay,